Is the event log standard on the Series 300 Group G controller? Yes, the event log is embedded in the Series 300 Group G controller software. However, you can't read the information unless you have the optional accessory 11BE. If you received it when you ordered the switch, it would be installed at the factory. And if you go to the option feature screen, within the Group G controller menu, the option 11BE Enable RS485 is checked, meaning it is enabled. And that would tell you that you have the 11BE feature. In that case, then you can just pull up the event log and read the historical events. If you haven't ordered it from the factory when you ordered the switch, there is a kit available where you can install it in the field. The photo of the Group G controller shows the 11BE Field Mod Kit card installed, which just plugs into the controller. Of course you can install it at any time. It requires the power in the switch to be shut down because the transfer switch door should not be opened when it is energized to install the card in the controller. It is a simple installation package with included instructions for installing the card safely.